should I show this? Sometimes I don't know if I should show certain things on video or not, and just show you what I come up with. But I know I can't just push this up, okay? And I should be able to pop this up once I get this scored. And like I said, I think they just caulked it, and that's it. If this was not a crawl hole, they would not have it set up like this. Okay, so we've been in this house for a while. I've never had to get up here, so I thought no sense scoring this. You know, I'm not sure why. Most crawl holes that I've ever gone through have not been caulked in like this, and I don't know if it was just the last painter decided to do that on his own. Before he moved in here, we had the whole place painted, and he might have done it. Well, I'm just trying to be careful to keep the line straight, and when I get all done, I could recaulk it if I wanted, because this is in a living area. So do I really want to see a score mark or anything? Now I just have to be careful, because if I try to pop this open too hard, I could crack a corner off. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to keep scoring it. I'm not going to show anymore on the video camera for this. I got to get up there, and I might have to get up with my other ladder, score, and very carefully get that around there. I might have to change my blade, make sure I put a sharper one on there. But we've got to get that crawl hole open. Ooh-wee. I'm not sure if I ate my Wheaties this morning or not, man. That makes you weak after a while. Score. And you see, look at that. Okay. And lots of times you can slide this up. I'm gonna just take it down. I'm gonna take it down and see what I got going. There, I want to be careful with this. When I get all done, I'm going to wipe any smudges off it and stuff. I can. Okay, so I'm going to get the ladder situated, and I may have to bring I think I'll bring my trouble light down here too, my construction light, okay, and get set up.